Jessica is here today. Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Melissa.
Okay, so today we have another unboxing video. Woo! Okay, so we have here a video from Accessories Unlimited. In this box, oh, you've got it, accessories.
Woo!
Okay, so we've got it's just some stuff that came back in stock. So we ordered fill-ins for all the different sizes of Knitter's Pride Waves crochet hooks, which all of you very happy hookers out there seem to really love. And I love that you love them. They are inexpensive. We usually sell them for like $6 and $7 a pop. And the handles are very comfy.
And colorful.
And it's nice that each handle is a different color. So each size is its own color. So that way it's visually like, oh, I'm doing this project with the yellow one. Oh, no, wait, that's the wrong size. I need the pink one. And then you can just reach and grab because then, you just can eyeball it. Makes it easier. Okay, so we got in a whole bunch of those. Wow, look at all the sizes. We must have been really low because we have lots of sizes. Oh, okay. So besides the individual sizes of hooks, of which there are many, also we got in a complete set. Woo!
If your birthday is coming up, send your partner in.
Get this. I like the green. I think I had ordered also the pink. If you look on the back here, look, it also comes in a pink, but they must have been out of stock of pink. So we have a green one in stock, and I love it. Might have to order one for myself.
Oh my goodness.
I keep collecting like sets of tools because, sets of tools.
I do not crochet enough for a set of crochet hooks.
But look how nice it is. It's like it's a leatherette casing with a zipper around so your stuff won't fling out. And then it's clear so you can see the prettiness of all the colors.
No, it looks like a really nice case. If I were a crocheter, I would definitely be sending my partner for this for a present.
And look, see, you open it up and they're held in there with rubber bands so they don't fling out, which is also nice.
It's also nice and flat so you can keep it in any project bag.
Right, or your purse.
Oh, yeah, that too.
For the crocheter on the go.
My purse is not that big.
Mine is. I made a leather bag and I made it big enough to put in like a sweater size knitting project.
Yes, and my biggest purse is big enough for a wallet and a cell phone.
Oh, and we got in a special order for our friend Pat Murphy. Your Tunisian hook is here. I will call you later today and let you know. And as always, our wonderful friends of Accessories Unlimited always send us microwave popcorn.
Yeah.
Top secret, my favorite. Had a big popcorn discussion with Mr. Lovely last night while we were watching the tube. And we were discussing which actually was our favorite brand of microwave popcorn. And the Pop Secret won. Like they had the good one. Like I thought the Act 2 had sort of like a weird plasticky.
What's the other one?
The Orville Redenbacher.
That's my favorite.
We had the home style kind, and which is less butter. I was not a fan.
They have good kettle corn kind, which is more sugar.
Oh, I'm sure kettle corn with more sugar is delicious. That is not what we get. We usually get like butter or movie theater butter.
We don't have a microwave, so we don't.
We do. We have a toaster too. We have a fancy toaster.
Oh, I feel like this is gonna be pretty.
Oh, look at this. Okay, so now the box de resistance. I don't know if it's la boîte de resistance.
Ooh, summer.
So this is new from Berroco Yarns. It is called Summer Sesame. Is that right? Yeah, Summer Sesame. Oh, this is cool.
What's it feel like? Let's open the plastic bag.
This is a very pretty color.
Ooh.
This one, this is soft.
Yeah.
It's cottony and it's got like little nubbles. So for any of you who are spinners, the nubbles on this yarn look like granny stacks, which is a technique you use when plying yarn to make little nubbly bumps.
It's also a little shiny.
Yes, it is a little shiny. So, can you see the little nubble bumps?
That's like
granny
pink and purple and a little blue in there with highlights of arms.
So this is 47% cotton, 44% acrylic, and 9% nylon. It's 100 grams and 3.5 ounces. You get 295 yards. That makes this a sport weight. They have a 4 on here, but I think we discussed before how cotton yarns are a little different because they tend to bloom after you wash and black them. So when Sarah and I opened up the Nifty Cotton, we talked about that a little bit. So they're saying worsted, but this looks like their needle, they give a needle suggestion of like a heavy DK. Because their gauge, the suggested gauge on the label, friends, is what? We can read that.
What do you want me to read?
All right, it's
5 to 5.25 stitches equal 1 inch.
On
6 to 7 needles. Size 6 to size 7 needles for knitting.
And then for crochet,
it's 4.75 stitches to 1 inch on size 7 needles.
right, 4.5 millimeter hook.
Yeah, sorry, hook crocheters. See, I'm a knitter.
Right.
Yeah,
It's
and this
cool though. Made in Italy. It's soft, and it
Yeah.
says it looks like it's like a pretty gradient. Like look at the end. Isn't that cool?
I feel like this is like a good weight for like a summer shirt.
I agree. Like I want to make a summer shirt out of it, and it looks like I got like every color.
Under.
Where are we gonna put it? I don't know, but it's gonna look awesome. Oh, this is pretty. So Berroco is another one of these. Similar to Cascade, they have all these great colorway names, but you never know what those names are because they are not on the label. But they put the color number on the label. This is color number 5249. 5249, this is neutrals. Do you want to pull the next one out?
Yeah.
Go ahead, pull the next one out. So this is neutrals. This is, it's like different shades of gray, and then it has a little beige in it too. I'll get it really close up so you can see. That's, oh, look at that.
That's
pretty. Look at that
This
one.
one's really bright. This is like, you're closer to the camera, but this is like blues and greens and maybe a little red in there. That's
looks
really
like
nice.
some like burnt orange.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's good. This is like almost a Jessica color.
Almost, but that's
Almost.
That,
If it was just the orange and the blue, then it would be a Jessica
yes,
color.
this is a more like forest floor pondscape, and I'm
Oh,
more,
Tomscape. That's good.
I'm more of a ocean current.
This is pretty too. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. So this one is like warm tones with a bit of like sagey green. I have no idea what they're calling this particular colorway, but it's really pretty. It's like rose, like a dark rose, like peachy,
That's like
peony-ish
I know
kind of.
it. Yeah.
Oh, I like, well maybe, what peonies are like a lighter pink, right?
Yeah. It's kind of like roses.
Kind of like roses.
That is like dried flowers.
Yes, mm-hmm. It's like potpourri.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Oh, that's fun and bright.
this one I've already decided is Desert Sunset.
Oh, I like that. Look at this. So this is bright. This is bright.
Right.
For all of our friends who love bright, happy rainbows, I think this is the colorway for you because this is like bright peachy pink and it like
Terracotta kind of.
terracotta kind of, and it's got like some bright like viridian green and some violets in there. That's just
And
really
high
lovely.
contrast. That one.
High
this-
contrast.
Yeah. So.
And then what else?
Oh.
I thought they were putting a t-shirt in here.
I don't see a t-shirt.
I don't see a t-shirt either, but what they did, so they also included a lookbook.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Right, so this has, does this have the actual patterns or does it just have suggestions? This is looks. So, all right, so knit it up. How is a t-shirt on the thing? Okay, so here's the girl. Here's the model wearing a sweater. So you can see her in the sweater. See, so this stuff sort of does stripes, which is kind of fun. So then it won't necessarily do unflattering pooling.
Right.
Instead, it will do like somewhat of a stripe action.
Interesting.
It is interesting, and I love the texture. It just feels really soft.
Based on the direction of the stitch. That's very interesting. interesting.
It is very interesting. Oh, and then here's like a crocheted poncho.
Oh, that's very flattering.
It is very flattering. I think it's like a little oversized.
Mm-hmm.
So good for all types of bodies. I mean, the model, she's itty bitty, so of course it all is going to look good on her body.
Right.
So, which is why when you are looking, here's a tip. When you're looking at patterns on Ravelry for tops, and you want to see how it looks on a real person, on the pattern details page, they have a section that says projects. Click on the number of projects, and then you can see how that particular top will look on a real person.
Right.
Instead of just the skinny model who looks good in everything.
And also, it's real people knitting, and then, so it's, you know, not like professional testers knitting their perfectly gauge knitting and then putting on a skinny lady.
Exactly. Like, look at that. That's a super cute top. That would be fun to see like on a real person. I like that. And I like the up and down because its vertical stripes are definitely more flattering to most than horizontal stripes.
Because what you could do with this too is you could crop that and
Or
then,
make it longer to cover your tush.
right. But what I was saying, and then the fringe could make it like the ideal length.
True, you could make super long fringe, like in the 80s when you go to the beach and you have like the crop top with like the fringe bottom. It's like, Susie loves Jeremy forever. And then, you know, it's got like the fringe with the beads on.
Yeah, look,
Those are cute. Oh, another color. That's pretty.
this one is Easter Sunday, I think.
Oh, yes, for sure.
Or
Look at
Mother,
that.
it also could be Mother's Day. That's
Like garden party.
garden party. There we go. We're on
Different shades of green and lilacs. Oh,
with some blue too.
that would be really nice. Like you could make like a thing for mom for Mother's Day.
You could make a thing for Mom for Mother's
And if you
Day.
got it today, since we are in early March, by the beginning of May, you have a really good chance of actually having it finished.
Yeah, and you could totally, and it's the right weight. You could totally make like a little accessory skinny scarf or something like that, like a real fun one skein project.
This looks like somebody's like bohemian apartment.
Yes,
Bohemian,
New York City loft.
Yes, bohemian apartment. New York City loft. This is cool. It's like different earthy tones, so it's like
I like that
it's
a
like
lot.
ochre and burnt sienna and like a phthalo blue sorta, you know, sort of like a maybe not phthalo, maybe it's more like it's like a washed indigo kind of. But it's all those sort of like colors you'd see in
The
somebody's
color of burning incense.
yeah. Like, you know, you go to somebody's apartment and they have like all the tapestries on the wall.
Yeah.
And then like Persian carpets on the floor, like that kind of
Yes,
thing. It's
yes.
sort of that. So, like you can see like a wall of house plants with a big fun window and
Yep,
yeah.
absolutely.
We're painting a whole picture for you.
we are. We're telling a color story, literally.
Literally, we're making up a color story for you.
I think it's because we have a friend of the store and a personal friend of ours who's blind. So we've
That's
been
right. So we've been
describing colors.
we are ameliorating our color description skills. Oops. How's that for a 50-cent word? Ooh, this is like ocean depths. Don't know what it's actually called. You think it's night sky? You think night sky?
Summer night sky. I put the
Okay.
label right off this one.
Oh, well, you can put it back on. Sometimes, you know, that's the struggle and the challenge of a loose label. Sometimes they just fall right off. Okay, so this is shades of blue with some greens and a little bit of a putty color.
Summer night sky.
Summer night sky, she says. That's what we'll go with. So this is like summer under the stars, the lightning bugs,
Yes, I think so.
maybe some sort of like music going from your
Yes.
house.
Your high school boyfriend playing guitar.
Oh, the end of that sappy movie that you like so bad that you're afraid to tell all of your friends you like so bad.
Yes.
Okay, what are we calling this one?
I don't know.
Forest floor?
Yes, actually, I was thinking forest floor.
Oh, this is like a dark this has got like a deep teal in it, and then it has some sort of like a seaweed color kind of. See that green, like those medium greens? Some leafy green, a little bit of gray.
Maybe dockside.
Maybe dockside. It's got some indigo. Like if you're at a dock here in Maryland and you see things like in the bay, because it could be like underwater plants.
Yes, that's what I was thinking, like dockside kind of.
Very cool. We've got some gorgeous colors, and the kind folks at Berroco did send us the lookbook that's got great pattern ideas. Berroco Yarns has really good pattern support, and the designs in this book, this Berroco design theme consists of Amy Christopher's, one of my favorite designers.
Oh.
She does some really good sweater patterns that have like classic lines to them, so they never go out of style, which I love. Also Allison Green, Margot Huffnagel, and Donna Yacchino. So really good patterns. So you can find the patterns, I'm assuming you can find them on Ravelry, because this is what the colorways look like. Ravelry is generally host to everything. You can find everything on Ravelry.
And I'm sure you could probably go to like Berroco.com
And
as well.
Yeah, Berroco will have them on there too. Oh, this has got the patterns in here. Oh, also you could contact Ma, Chief Yarn Slinger, at your favorite local yarn store, and we can get one of these books for you.
Yeah. You can also stop in too and peruse it while you're here.
Yes, come have a squish, because it is soft and delightful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect for summer project. Good. You could get like good single skein projects or like a whole top.
Yep.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I think that's great. Do we have anything to add to the people?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to
Comment, like, subscribe.
and happy stitching. See you next time.